video. Today I am going to take a short topic from circle and the topic is tangents of circle. So let's start the topic tangents of a circle. So what is tangent? So tangent is a line basically which touches our circle. So we call it is a line or tangent line, and shortly we called it only tangent. So this one is a circle or any curve like this. This one is circle, any curve, and at a point if a line touches any circle or any curve, then this line is called tangent. The full name is tangent line, but in short we call it a tangent. Now, how we construct a tangent? So there are three possibilities or three conditions to construct a tangent. Depends on the location of a point, mean that we have to find out where the location of point. So number one, suppose we have a circle and we have a point outside the circle, condition number one. Then we can draw two tangents from this particular point, this one and this one. If the point is outside, then number of tangent would be 2. And if there is a point on the circle, then the number of tangent would be 1. Such kind number point 2 on the curve or on the circle, on the curve, then number of tangent would be 1. Here, so if a point lie on the circle, then only and only even a single tangent can be drawn. Now we are going to find out the equation of a tangent if the point lie on the curve or any circle. Clearly, third one, if the point P3 lie inside the circle, inside the curve or any circle, then clearly no tangent. So number 3 condition, number 1 condition, number 2 condition, and number 3 condition, if point P3 lie inside circle, so clearly no tangent. Clear? So now we are going to find out the equation of tangent or condition 2 if our point lie on the curve or on the circle. So let's see. We have a point or we have a circle. We have a circle in standard form, x square plus y square equal to a square. This one is a standard form where, so let's draw a circle. This one is x axis and this one is y axis, and here it is origin 0, 0, and the radius of circle is a and a. So this is our circle a, 0, and the radius is a. And suppose there is a point, this one, and we have to find out the equation of tangent. Now we have to find out 2 points, x1 y1 and x2 y2. So in any curve or on a circle we have 2 points. Let's start. This one is x1, y1 and this one is x2 and y2. And from these 2 points a line is passing through such that, so we can find out the equation of this line clearly. So equation of this line which is passing from 2 points, 2-point equation, 2-point equation of a line, it would be y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 and x minus x1. Let's suppose this one is equation number 1. It is the equation of a line which is passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now again, these 2 points lie on a circle which is standard circle. Standard circle means a square x square plus y square equal to a square. Here center is 0 0 and radius is a. Now the point x1 and y1 and x2 and y2 both are lying on that circle, so these points will satisfy our circle. So putting this point on the circle, we will get x1 square plus y1 square equal to a square, and second one x2 square plus y2 square equal to a square. So this one is equation number 3rd and this one is equation number 2nd. Now subtracting equation 2nd from 3rd or 3rd from 2nd, whatever, so we will get subtracting equation 3rd from 2nd, we will get x2 square minus x1 square plus y2 square minus y1 square equal to 0. Here we will get, this one is formula a square minus b square, so a minus b, a plus b, so we can write x2 minus x1 and x2 plus x1 equal to, shift the y2 y square, sorry, y2 minus y1 whole square, shift this one from right side, we will get y2 square y1 square, and we can also write this one a minus b means y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1, y2 plus y1. From here we will get x2 plus x1 upon y2 plus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1 with minus. So from equation 2 and 3 we are getting a relation, and the relation is x2 plus x1 upon y2 plus y1 equal to minus y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So we can put this y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 minus here. Clear? So we will get a point, like another equation, and the equation would be y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. We are substituting this one, so it would be x2 plus x1 upon y2 plus y1 and x minus x1 with this minus, with this minus this one. So now the point is, as our chord x1 minus y, x1 y1 x2 y2, which one is a chord? This one is our chord x1 y1 and x2 y2. As our chord point x2 y2, x2 and y2 approach to x1 y1 such that x2 approaching x1 and y2 approaching y1. So at that point, like this one is approaching and again such and again. So at a point, at a time, the value of x2 will be equal to x1 and the value of y2 will be equal to y1. So we will get the point y2 equal to y1, at this point. Clear? So the x2 is equal to x1 and y2 equal to y1. We will put here, we will get y minus y1 equal to x2 equal to x1. We'll put, so 2x1 and 2y1, x minus x1, and this minus 2 and 2 cancel. So y1 cross multiplication, y1 minus y1 square equal to minus x1 and minus plus x1 square. From here, if we shift x1 to left hand side, we will get x1 plus y1 equal to x1 square plus y1 square, and this x1 and y1 square is equal to square of radius. So we can write it x1 plus y1 equal to a square. So this is a equation of a tangent when our point lie on the circle. Not only for circle, this equation can be used for any kind of curve like parabola, hyperbola, ellipse and more. So we can make a very simple conclusion from this point, that whenever a point lie on the curve, let's suppose whenever a point lie on the curve, then we can find out the equation of tangent by putting some substitution, and the substitutions are: first one, put x square equal to x1, y square equal to y1, third, x equal to x plus x1 upon 2, and y equal to y plus y1 upon 2. These two values we can obtain by the general equation of circle. So these substitutes are very helpful for finding out the equation of any tangent for any curve. Thank you.